Republic Act number 8750, or better known as Seatbelt Use Act of 1999. For their own safety, the driver and front seat passengers of either a public or private vehicle are required to wear or use their seat belts while boarding or driving the vehicle on any road or thoroughfare. In the case of public motor vehicles, the driver shall be required to immediately inform and notice him or her while riding on a public vehicle to wear seat belts in order to save their lives in the event of an accident. Infants and or children under the age of 7 are not permitted by law to sit in the front seat of any vehicle, including public transportation, such as taxis. Aside from other law that we encountered, this law is very important to us because we can protect ourselves from unsafe roads that are taken, such as more serious zigzags. Without it, we can get injured on the road or have an accident in public place.